Hi there, how are you? I hope you like this project. You see, it's a hummingbird feeder, and we are going to use one of the 3 R's for saving the planet. That is going to be reuse. Okay, remember, recycle, reuse, and reduce. Okay, and it's a very good. If you like this project, I will show you how to do it. Okay, just stay watching the video, and I really hope that you like it a lot. And remember, feeding hummingbirds is good for the planet because they help us pollinize the flowers. Okay, they help us making more flowers possible. And hey, they are pretty. Okay, well, see you then. See you in a few minutes, and keep everything ready for make this awesome project. Bye bye. Love you. Okay, hello everybody. For this project you will need a Tupperware. I got red one, that's super good because hummingbirds like bright colors. Okay, the other thing, a bottle, glass bottle. I bought this one from Clamato. I love Clamato. It doesn't have, I love this one. Why I choose it? Because it's not very big, and also it's very easy to peel. I only need to clean this thing and it's all set. Okay, all done. Okay, other thing that you will need is a marker. Yeah, wire, copper wire preferably, so we can hang the bottle. We are going to, for making the holes, you know, for the hummingbird, so we can make holes here. We can use a screwdriver, and you hit it. Parent supervision, remember, this one is for mom, dad, older brothers. Okay, or if you have an iron like this one, you can use it also. Okay, or a trusty screwdriver. This one you will need it because we are going to need to make a hole here. Something else. Okay, hot glue. You will need hot glue also, and thread. Okay, so that's it. First, we are going to make the marker. I already do it. Sorry, I already do it. So you are going to put your glass bottle there, and you are going to make the circle. Okay, so over here. Also, for the little holes for the hummingbird, you can make one here, the other one here, as 4 sides here, here, and here. Okay, very good. So let me make the hole and be right back with you. Bye bye. Okay, very well. As you can see, I already make the hole, and we are going to use our hot gun to glue this part here. Okay. And also the other side. Okay, very well. And we are going to let this dry. And now we need to make a hole here. I'm going to use my drill. The size of the drill bit, it was 3/16 of an inch. So over there, I know you can see it. There you go. But it's not math, you just need a very good hole there. So I'm going to make it here. Very good. Got it. Nice hole. Okay, we are almost done. So after this, we are going to put it here. And let me do some, oh sorry, let me do some holes here for the hummingbird, and we're almost there. Okay, I'll be back with you. Thank you. Okay, I decided to mark the holes here and here. Okay, I have 4 holes. So I'm going to make the little holes here, and oh, already here. Good, that's cool. I'm coming with you. Okay, let me do the holes, and I'm coming back with you. Thank you. Okay, very good. I'm going to use my iron. Remember, you have choices over there. So, good, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. See that it doesn't have any rough edges for the hummingbirds, so they cannot harm their beaks, okay, their tongues. Very good. Okay, and oh, I'll show you the trick over here. Okay, so remember that we have these things that I wish to take out, the sticky things. One student has really tell me that these are super good. His mom used some mayo, so I'm going to put just a little here. Very good. So I have a little mayo here, and we need to scrub. Okay. And it's working. Very good. It's working. I think we need to put a little bit more. And okay, and we take all the sticky things, and when I finish I'll come back with you. Bye bye. Okay, very good. So we are going to add the cable to the jar. Okay, we are going to use the string, so we are going to tie it up. Okay, so just the right amount of cable that you want, and you got it. Okay, very good. And then you are going to leave a part here so you can actually make it like a little hook. Okay, so first I'm going to tie this thing. Just give some rounds here. Okay. And then this one, okay, and keep doing the stringy thing. Good. Try to keep it in the middle. Very tight, okay? Super tight. I think you can do with 10 laps, 10 can go around, okay? Like that. And you cut it. Okay? And then you are going to put some glue here and over here. When I'm done, I will show you, okay? Bye bye. Okay, very good. So I just finished, and after that you can trim the excess of string that you have. And if you can do it with crazy glue or with hot gun, okay? So it's your choice. So I'm going to put some drops here. so it gets very well attached. Okay, let it dry. Do the other side. Very good. Remember to cap your glue after you use it for safety. So this one I bought it here, if you are asking. And then remember these things that get a little loose, just put it over here and you can make a little hook, okay, over there. Same for the other side. Oh. Just be careful for the, if you put too many glue as I did, just be careful, okay? And there you go. Nice. And then let's try it. Let's fill it up. I'll give you the formula later so you can fill it up.